Google and Anthropic are quietly building two different protocols that will control how every AI agent on the planet talks, thinks, and works. And most engineers have no idea they even exist. One is called MCP. The other is called A2A. And no, they are not competitors. They are two halves of the same machine. If you don't understand how they stack together, you're going to build agents that are dead on arrival. Here's the thing nobody is explaining clearly. There are now 3 layers to the AI agent stack, and each layer has a completely different job. Layer 1 is the tools layer. This is where MCP lives, Model Context Protocol, built by Anthropic. Think of it like USB-C for AI. Before MCP, every time you wanted your agent to use a tool, you had to write custom glue code. Connect to a database, custom code. Pull from Google Drive, custom code. Read a PDF, you guessed it, custom code. MCP kills all of that. It gives every tool a standard plug. Your agent doesn't need to know how Slack works internally. It just connects through MCP, and the tool announces what it can do. The agent picks up the menu and starts ordering. One protocol, every tool, done. But here's where it gets interesting, and this is the part most people completely miss. MCP only solves the problem of one agent talking to tools. One agent. Singular. What happens when you need 10 agents working together on the same task? What happens when a coding agent needs to hand off work to a testing agent, which then passes results to a deployment agent? That's layer 2, the agent layer. Each agent is its own little brain, with its own skills, its own MCP connections, and its own job description. One agent writes code. Another reviews it. Another handles customer emails. They are specialists. But specialists are useless if they can't coordinate. And that brings us to the layer that changes everything. Layer 3, the orchestration layer. This is where A2A lives. Agent-to-agent protocol, built by Google. If MCP is USB-C for tools, then A2A is the internet for agents. It lets agents discover each other, advertise their skills, negotiate tasks, and stream results back and forth in real time. Before A2A, making 2 agents from different companies talk to each other was a nightmare. Your LangChain agent couldn't coordinate with your AutoGen agent. Your custom Python agent couldn't hand off to a cloud-hosted agent built by someone else. Everyone was building walled gardens. A2A rips those walls down. Every agent publishes something called an agent card. It's basically a resume. It says, here's who I am, here's what I can do, here's how to talk to me. Any other agent on the network can read that card and start collaborating. No custom integration, no middleware, just protocol. Now stack all 3 layers in your head. At the bottom, MCP connects agents to tools. In the middle, individual agents do specialized work. At the top, A2A connects those agents to each other. That is the stack. Tools, agents, orchestration. 3 layers, 2 protocols, 1 architecture. And here's why this matters right now. The companies that figure out this stack first are going to build AI systems that look like magic to everyone else. Imagine a customer sends a complaint email. An A2A orchestrator picks it up, routes it to a sentiment analysis agent, which uses MCP to pull the customer's order history, then passes everything to a resolution agent that drafts a response and issues a refund. All automatic, all in seconds. No human touched it. That's not science fiction. That's buildable today with these 2 protocols. The old way? A human support team, 15 minutes per ticket. The new way? 3 agents, 2 protocols, 0 wait time. And that's just one use case. Multiply that across hiring, logistics, finance, legal, software development. Every workflow becomes an agent workflow. But here's the trap engineers keep falling into. They try to use MCP for agent-to-agent communication, or they try to use A2A to connect to databases. Wrong tool for the wrong layer. MCP goes down. A2A goes across. Down to tools, across to agents. Remember that, and you'll never confuse them again. The engineers who understand this 3-layer stack are going to be the most valuable people in tech for the next 5 years. Not because the protocols are complicated, They're actually simple, but because almost nobody has connected the dots yet, now you have. Thank you.